Hey everybody, welcome back to another YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making a terrarium. Terrariums are closed ecosystems where both plants and animals can thrive and live in. This is a really fun activity to do because you create your own jungle and ecosystem. So without further ado, let's get started. To make a terrarium, you're going to need a shovel, some rocks, some soil, and an airtight jar or bottle. First, you're going to want to find a clear jar or bottle, preferably a pickle or pretzel or mayonnaise jar. You want a jar that's large enough that plants can grow in, but you also want a jar that is airtight, meaning that the cap, when you cap it on tightly, it won't leak out any air. Next, you're going to want to find some small or medium-sized rocks. You want to have enough rocks that can evenly cover the bottom of the jar. These rocks are going to hold and store the water so that the plants can reuse and recycle them. After you put in your rocks, it's time to add in the soil. Put a good amount of dirt in your jars so that when the roots grow, they have enough room to spread out. Feel free to add any bugs or insects to your terrarium. They are actually very good for it. They'll equal out the balance and will provide nutrients to the plants. Now that you have your soil, it's time to add some vegetation. Add seeds or any other plant life that you choose. Afterwards, water your terrarium. It's important that you give your terrarium a lot of water because after you close it, you're not going to open it again. Make sure that your soil is wet and moist because then it can sustain your plant for a long period of time. And that's it. Put on the lid, cap it really tight, and then afterwards, you'll see some plants growing in a couple of weeks. You can keep your terrarium inside or outside. Just make sure that you have enough sunlight and that it won't get too hot or too cold. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope it was really beneficial. I hope you guys were able to make your own terrarium with your own teeming life. If you guys liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of our videos, subscribe and turn on notifications. And comment down below on what topic you want us to do next. Thanks again for watching. Bye!